Good morning, friends. For our morning bin activity, you're going to need your dice and your Play-Doh. We're going to do a 10 apples up on top morning bin activity. So I'm going to take out some Play-Doh and put it right here. Now I'm going to roll my dice. 2. So I'm going to take 2 little balls of Play-Doh and I'm going to roll it to look like apples. 1, 2. Okay. And I'm going to stack them. Now I'm going to roll again. Oh, 2 more. So I'm going to take off 2 more. And I'm going to roll those and stack them. Oh, and my stack is falling a little bit. So I'm going to put it down nicer. Okay. And then 1 more. And I'm going to try to stack that up on top. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now your goal, you're going to roll until you have 10. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see how I rolled and stacked. You're going to try to make a stack of 10 apples or Play-Doh balls up on top. Okay, so again, roll your dice, roll out your Play-Doh balls, and then you're going to stack them to get a group of 10. I will see you guys soon.